Hello, my wonderful family. How na dey? Hope so na dey okay. Official dey see so na dey okay. Today matter not be small. Today matter not be easy one. Today matter na jolo one. I want just knack am for una the way e dey go. And before I start, if you know say hey, you not too sabi this channel. Now this channel they call Anka Shower Pro. I dey bring her dey come the way e dey go. I dey bring her dey come the way e suppose be. I dey bring her dey come as e dey hot. That's how dey hot dey follow am. Official na know me. And if you know say you dey waka post this channel or you dey pass like this, say you never subscribe, brother, sister, abeg click am. Subscribe, make you keep me on going. Because na una go dey make me dey feel dey come out like this, dey do video. So make we start wetin happen or wetin bring us come. We don discover now say play UK there be 419. We don't get their tactics now. We don't look and say they not be genuine. They not be real. As far as this our leader matter dey for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu matter, you dey tell me now say if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na white man, say go see sleep for that place. May you reason am now. Reason am, may you check am, may you balance am. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na white man, for example, now they talk so, say na white man, he go see sleep for that place. For UK citizen, I not believe. As far as I know, UK don't fail for this matter. Pata. They don't match line. Pata. Honestly, they don't match line. Pata, they don't match line. Because if they not match line, abana, may you reason and check and may you balance them. Everything for that pepper soup pass like this now. Everything for that pepper soup pass like this. But because say the young go immature, say they no want evil talk put. Now I made the thing still be like this. Okay, make I shock you. You know, see say Muhammadu Buhari is there for UK for there. If really say wetin they really they talk say not true, Muhammadu Buhari for never come down. They for never flog her come out for there. Therefore allow Muhammadu Buhari say make he enter UK. If not be say all of them gang up for this thing when they happen, they give our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They for don't discharge Muhammadu Buhari come back now. If for don't come back, as me and you they talk, they for don't move and come back. But because all of them they do the caricature business, all of them are game they day. They go come out, they go call they speak English. When they don't talk to Nigeria government removing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All of them they be 419. Ojoro people, Wayo people. You know evil pin person self. I dey tell you. You know pin person not evil pin now. All of them they be wayo. I dey tell you what I know. They be wayo. UK government get the right to make this thing fast forward. Now when be say they don't say for Biafra land lockdown every Monday. We go know who be who now. We go see who be who. Now we want know whether the governor when he dey southeast, they work, they give us one and we they work, they give them. Now we go know the matter. Because the matter when it dey ground, it too ripe. Yes, so the matter when it dey ground, so it too ripe. UK government, they be wayo. UK government, they not they do anything. UK government, they're not ready for anything. UK government, they just they lie. They know they do anything, nothing. They know they do anything. They no want to do anything. They just they lie to take cover up. And we know that is. So we not even they move. We know say their second name na lie. And their original name na deceiver. So we not even they move. All those things we don't do the pass. And every Monday, now sure banker say they go dey lock Biafra land. They go dey lock all the markets until their sense go come back to their head. Because now today now, the Southeast governors, the Southeast leaders, their sense now dey Abuja. Their sense now is dey northern part of Nigeria. So this one we dey do now until their sense go come back to Southeast before we go leave them. Because the young go now, if they mature, they go. They mature, they go. Very soon, they go get to the next level. No time to check time. Southeast leaders, they don't disappoint us. You dey tell me now, say this type of thing when it dey happen. I say if it dey happen for northern part of Nigeria, person go hear am. You know see wetin Gumi talk. Gumi when he talk say Fulani herdsmen they kidnap to make money. That means that they keep people to make money. Say when they kidnap, that money that they collect. What about those people when they graduate from university? If they can start to they see they kidnap to they make money for Southeast now, they go they arrest them. Who they will call the kidnap? Not be their brother, their sister, they go they kidnap. But now, Fulani herdsmen don't come off from north now. Now Southeast that they call they make their money. Through wetin? Through kidnapping. Shine your eye, make they not call back you. What did you say you they do? Be say they sweet, you say you they do and you they happy, you they do am. Now, everybody now start to they support your own. Now make us don't come out now say we go they support our leader where they come as in the Kalu. Yes. Operation support your own. Now it be the latest now when it dey ground now. If you not support your own, who go support your own for you? If you not support your own, who go support your own for you now? Percy dey. If you not support your own, believe me, nobody go support am for you. Nobody go support am for you. You supposed to dey support your own. Because if you not support your own, nobody go support am for you. I make everybody now go come out, make they support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you know they support am before, change your mind, change your ideology. May you start to dey support am from today. Because that man too full of wisdom. If they not they lock this market like this, if they not put this total lockdown every Monday, it go get as it dey. So as they put the lockdown now, any governor when he like make it do wetin concern am. Wetin concern Agboro with overload. Nothing no. Now wetin dey our mind, now they go dey do. Now wetin we talk, they go still dey do. All right, my wonderful family, I just make I bring this small word of encouragement come me to say, may you not give up. Oh. And if you dey watch this video, you know they support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before. You don't start to dey support am today. Now today, start to dey support am because now I go fit make a lot of things called a blend for your side. Total lockdown every Monday. Support am. All right, my wonderful family, I say make I leave this video for here. Now me that they call Akanshawa Pro, and if you know say you never subscribe, hey, I beg go subscribe, may you join the family.